How do you view your lubricants? Do you treat them as assets or consumables? How you answer this fundamental question can have a dramatic impact on your manufacturing efficiencies and on your bottom line. Many organizations take their lubricants for granted. They fail to see them as the assets that they are, leading to poor performance, operational deficiencies, and reactive repairs, all of which can significantly cut into your profits. Lubrication Engineers is more than just a lubricant supplier. We are a solution provider. We work with organizations all over the world to provide lubrication reliability programs customized to their needs. Our high-performance lubricants are formulated to meet the needs of specific applications. They also can have a positive environmental impact by lowering energy costs and lengthening the time between lube changes, meaning less lubricant is used and less waste is generated. Our scalable solutions can be tailored to address your entire operation or focus on one challenging application or even a single critical piece of equipment. Our team of trained specialists works to gain a thorough understanding of your operations, machinery, and processes. We address your specific pain points that lead to unscheduled downtime, costly repairs, and loss of production. Once we understand your current situation, we provide a strategic, multi-step plan to optimize your lubrication program, providing a variety of lubrication reliability solutions. Next, we work on site with your organization to help educate your employees and implement the recommended changes. We can also help capture the results and quantify them for you. It's not rocket science. Better performing lubricants equals a better performing operation. That means efficient machines, more knowledgeable people, a healthy environment, and a strong bottom line. And that's what the LE program can do for you. The time is now to get started. Let our team become an extension of your team, and we can help you start treating your lubricants as the assets that they truly are.